Lights. One of the most significant inventions in the history of human civilization. With the rapid evolution of technology, consumer and industry lighting systems have transformed radically over time. India's journey in the last 7 decades from an importer of finished lighting products to an indigenous, self-sufficient producer of lighting systems has been a gradual yet revolutionary process. At the front line of this change is one brand, a homegrown giant with a global presence. A name synonymous with high quality, performance and energy-efficient lighting solutions, combined with improved modern aesthetics. Havells, making in India since 1958. Started as a small electrical goods company in New Delhi, Havells today has grown into a fast-moving electrical goods giant with pan-India operations and presence in many countries across the globe.
Havells was primarily a switchgear company, and our growth in the last few decades has been by expanding product categories which go through the same brand and channel. Around 2003-04, we entered into the lighting industry. Today, we are one of the largest lighting companies, not only in India but globally. I believe, lighting has a very, very large portfolio, right from consumer lighting to industrial lighting to commercial lighting to office lighting to stadium lighting. And the beauty of Havells is that we cut across each and every segment of the consumer.
The company today enjoys market dominance across a wide spectrum of products, including cables and wires, switchgear, water heaters, fans, air conditioners, small home appliances, modular switches and lighting solutions. Over 90% of Havells' vast range of products are manufactured in-house across 14 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants, celebrating the spirit of Make in India.
When we entered into the lighting industry, the largest brands in India were either manufacturing in China or they were outsourcing it to third-party manufacturers for lower cost. We believe that if we invest into manufacturing in global scale and global quality, we would not only be able to compete in quality for manufacturing for the Western world, but also will be able to compete in cost. So we have actually proven the fact that what we set out as a mission, that we needed to be Make in India and be globally competitive, that's what we've been able to achieve through this factory.
Spread across a 4 lakh square feet space, the lighting plant at Neemrana is a landmark of Havells' manufacturing prowess. A completely self-sufficient unit with design, manufacturing and testing facilities, all under one roof. The 2 factory buildings consist of high-end, best-in-class machinery infrastructure, ensuring manufacturing excellence. Be it consumer or industrial lighting products, the Neemrana plant is the manufacturing hub. The plant has a massive monthly production capacity of approximately 6 million LED lamps, 1.5 million LED battens, 2 million downlighters, 100,000 LED panels and 500 million street lights, along with various IoT-based smart lighting for indoor and outdoor applications like tunnel lighting, linear lighting and street lighting.
Havells is among the top 3 players in lighting industry. Havells is also the fastest growing brand in India. This kind of a consumer confidence in the brand has happened because there are 3 things which we focused in long term. One, we have focused on the meaningful innovation for the consumers. Second is, we are much ahead of time. And the third one is, we always consistently deliver on our quality promise.
With a strong grip on the 3 parameters of growth, Havells has been able to give the lighting industry many firsts in the world.
Nimrana plant is also one of the largest facility in the lighting industry in India for manufacturing LED products, both luminaires and lamps. Lighting in last 10 years has gone through a huge transformation. Earlier lighting was only about illumination, but now it is also getting into the space of aesthetics. And another thing is health and well-being. We have restructured our portfolio. We invested in technologies. We also worked on the smart lighting solutions and many other lighting applications which is related to technology. We also launched full range of decorative lighting to meet those needs of consumers.
A fast-moving electrical goods giant, Indian in essence, global in operations. Havells, creating consumer-centric products by merging technological innovation with stellar quality.
Havells lighting plant located in Nimrana is spread in 50 acres with the best global manufacturing excellence setup catering Industry 4.0 standards. This facility have a design, innovations, value engineering, product benchmarking, manufacturing and NABL accredited lab equipped with photogoniometer, ingress production and the product validation setup. This facility is also equipped with the 16 high-speed world-class SMT lines along with the AOI and SPI feature. This ensures BIQ level 4, which means a defect can't move to the next level.
To manufacture LED panels, the first step of production is shaping the panels. This is done by punching and bending the metal sheets. The plant's machine shops contain several international standard machines like the Amada, Salvagnini and Gasparini machines. These machines punch and bend the metal sheets according to industry standard measurements. Punching of sheets is an automated process, enabling end-to-end manufacturing of sheet metal products. The higher thickness of sheets is further processed through laser machines, which are used for punching and shearing the sheets. High-end machines like the Automator Laser Amada are used to obtain the exact level of precision. These machines can handle up to 22 mm thickness sheets. Further molding of the panel takes place at the frame panel bending machines. The Salvagnini P2 electric panel bender machine is a world-class device that bends the metal sheets into rectangular LED frames as per the required dimensions. Once the sheets are fed into the machine, the process is completely automated. The machine molds the sheets into the required shape and size of frames for the LED panels. These frames are the outermost part of the LED lighting panels, manufactured in various shapes and sizes according to consumer or industrial lighting requirements. The Salvagnini P2 machine at the Nimrana plant provides maximum optimal output with minimum impact on people or the environment. This state-of-the-art machine is also able to automatically adapt to changes in the material and the external environment, eliminating waste and corrections. At another part of the shop floor, the roll forming machines are shaping strips of metal into batten category products. The roll forming process consists of a continuous bending operation in which the metal strips are passed through consecutive sets of rolls at room temperature. and are shaped into a required product's part through the different stages of punching and bending through roll forming. Unlike other shaping methods, the roll forming process is inherently flexible, carrying out operations from decoiling, punching, roll forming to cutting and discharging. This around 30 meters long machine at the Neemrana plant comes with an incredible speed of processing 24 pieces per minute. The roll forming machine ensures excellent uniformity and a superior surface finish in all the completed parts of the LED battens. The Havells Neemrana plant boasts of a world-class machinery setup. The high-speed ITW GMA paint shops are an integral part of this. Automated robotic arms paint the LED panel sheet metal frames with a single layer of 50 to 80 micron painting of colors as per product specification. The machines can paint 1000 sets of 2x2 panels per hour with utmost efficiency and accuracy. The superior quality of surface painting is one among the many special product features of Havells lighting systems. Once the process of painting is finished, several batches of components are brought to the shop floor at regular intervals to be assembled at the various assembly lines. For manufacturing of LED battens, the Havells manufacturing unit has a high-grade polycarbonate extrusion setup. First, polycarbonate-based raw material is passed through heated dies which converts it into the product shape. These molds then undergo a cooling process in which water flowing through the pipes is used to cool them down into their extruded shapes. This is followed by automated cutting and shaping of the extruded plastic into an LED batten. Once the battens are molded, they are gathered together. Then, sets of extruded battens are fed into the punching machines, where holes are punched by an automated machine with precision. This is for wires to be fitted through these holes, connecting the battens to the LED panel during a later stage of product assembly. Another crucial step is mounting of the LED chips on circuit boards. These circuit boards are designed by the Havells in-house design team. The designs are then passed on to the SMT area, where the further process is taken over by fully automated SMT machines. These machines are responsible for mounting the LED chips over printed circuit boards. With integral features like AOI, automatic optical inspection, and SPI, automatic solder paste inspection, these machines are truly state-of-the-art. Each mounted circuit board from these machines ensures a BIQ level of 4 and 5. Which means that no defect will be generated or passed on to the next stage. The plant's MI section comprises RoHS compliant high-grade wave soldering machines. These machines efficiently fix rows of LED lighting strips onto the LED frames with utmost accuracy. And because of such automation, the mounting process here is nearly effortless and error-free. branding of the products is of course one of the integral parts of the manufacturing process. This is also the step when wires are attached to the LED PCB and driver. At the Neemrana plant, the branding and assembly lines come with an integrating and packaging setup that includes complete product traceability, resulting in total reliability. This is the last stage of assembly of the lighting product. Once the product is completely functional, it is time for the testing phase of manufacturing. The Neemrana plant is facilitated with an NABL accredited testing lab with high-end quality machines and a number of diverse tests to ensure world-class production quality. At the NABL accredited product testing lab, LED tests are conducted by using C-type gonio-photometers, measuring the light emitted from the source at different angles. The final lighting products are tested under a number of simulated weather conditions to check their all-weather durability. True to the Havells brand promise, the manufacturing plant adheres to international quality benchmarks for product testing. After quality checks, the product barcode information is labeled onto the LED lights and sent to the packaging assembly lines. Once each LED light is packaged separately by hand, they are collected and put into larger, more secure packages in bulk. These larger packages are taped, closed and labeled once again through a semi-automated process. The packages are now ready for storage. From manufacturing to storage, the Neemrana plant is an end-to-end self-sustained unit. The factory boasts of state-of-the-art multi-stacking storage systems. Once manufactured, the lighting products are stored here until they are ready to be distributed into markets across India and the world.
We are manufacturing complete range of LED bulbs, LED battens, downlighters, LED panel, street lights, high mast, floodlights, high base, linear lighting and IoT-based smart lighting product for various indoor and outdoor applications. The plant have a monthly capacity to produce approximately 6 million of LED lamps, 2 million of LED downlighters, 1.5 million of battens, 100,000 panels, 500,000 of street light and many other customized smart product for domestic and export market.
The Havells Neemrana plant focuses not only on productivity, but also strives to create harmony between manufacturing and environmental sustainability.
This facility has 30% green area and more than 10,000 plants have been planted in the last few years. We also have a water positive and zero discharge facility. Our cafeteria is equipped with a biogas plant and solar panel installed on a rooftop is being used to generate 2.5 megawatt solar energy. Neemrana lighting plant is represented in a different forum of CII and awarded in different category like Operation Excellence, Low Cost Automation, Energy Saving, Six Sigma and Quality Circle, mainly represented by the women's team.
A lot of market from unorganized sector is shifting to the organized sector. And we as Havells are the most penetrated brand in FMEG sector in these rural markets. We have the capability to deliver product in any remote town to the consumer at their doorstep. So we as a company are very well placed to be a part of this growth story in lighting. We are also expanding our channel. We are going to have 150 brand stores in India, which will be placed in various metro towns and various diverse geography across India, where consumer can walk in and talk to our experts, get lighting solutions, also source those lighting solutions from Havells.
We want to be a lighting solution provider to every consumer, be it a studio apartment owner or be it a large industrial establishment. So the vision for lighting is that it should become a complete solution provider for India and for the global markets and be one of the major contributors to Havells' growth in the future.
With a future-first mindset, new chapters continue to be added to the Havells growth story. Fresh possibilities are explored, new technologies introduced, illuminating the lives of every consumer it reaches. Havells is truly redefining the essence of lighting that is made in India and taken to the world.